So if your notification for Spotify is not showing over on your lock screen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. So the process is quite simple. You have to just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. So first of all, go to your Spotify and then you have to go to settings, which is located in the top right corner. And in settings, now you have to scroll down until you see this Spotify Connect in background. You have to enable Spotify Connect in background so that all the notification will be displayed to you. Once it is enabled, now the second thing you need to require is to go back to your device settings, and in device settings go to apps, then applications management, and over there you have to search for Spotify. Now open Spotify and go to manage notifications, and over there enable all the notifications for Spotify. And after enabling, now again go back to the main page of your settings, and then you have to go to notifications and status bar, and over there make sure to allow the notifications for Spotify in order to get all the notifications on your lock screen as well as on your home screen. Alright, so after checking all these settings correctly, most probably your problem will be fixed. Now simply go back to your Spotify, play any of the song, and here we go. You can see now the notification of the Spotify is now displaying to me over on my lock screen. So this is basically how you can get rid of this problem. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.